Freshness begins in the field. Timing defines sweetness. Speed protects quality. Human care completes harvest. Volume builds quickly.
Quality starts early.
Preparation continues.
Momentum builds. Flow converges. Precision begins. Colche begins.
Mine's freezing.
Processing begins.
Every arrival synchronized.
Fresh peas meet system.
Cold flow continues. Speed preserves quality. Gravity starts process. Humanize matter. Design serves efficiency. Cleanliness enforced. Every step monitored.
The process accelerates.
Cleanliness begins. Preparation continues.
Prompt 40, manual sorting, visual, workers remove defects, camera overhead glide, sound handling, connection accepted forward, narration, fast decisions.
Only best proceed. Technology selects.
Accuracy at speed.
Uniformity matters. Final cleanse. Dry surfaces protect. Core process begins.
Prompt 47, buffer zone, visual, brief accumulation, camera, wide tighten, sound, idle hum, connection, gate opens, narration, flow paste.
Enzymes deactivated.
Prompt 50, blanching tunnel, visual, controlled blanching time, camera, sidetrack, sound, water flow, connection, uniform heat, narration, quality locked.
Heat removed fast.
Prompt 53, pre-freezing spread, visual, peas spread evenly, camera, side pan, sound, belt hummed, connection, single layer, narration, IQF ready.
Freezing begins. Individual peas freeze instantly. Texture preserved. Water must leave. Precision matters.
Prompt 58 mate. Visual. Frozen peas buffered. Camera overhead. Sound. Hum. Connection to glazing. Narration. Flow stabilized.
Moisture retained.
Prompt 103, data comparison, visual, QC versus production logs, camera, OTS, sound, screen taps, connection, aligned, narration, numbers agree.
Cold chain continues. Free flow ensured. Safety ensured.
Prompt 64, way buffer, visual, measured flow regulated, camera overhead, sound hum, connection to packing, narration, accuracy prepared.
Prompt 65 temperature monitoring. Visual. Inline probes read temp. Camera. Macro. Sound. Beeps. Connection. Green light. Narration. Cold verified.
Quality confirmed.
Prompt 67, transfer to packing, visual, frozen peas conveyed, camera, forward, sound, motors, connection into fillers, narration, automation begins.
Efficiency planned.
Packaging awaits. Speed balanced.
Prompt 72, release to packing. Visual. Gate opens. Camera tight. Sound, motor, connection, flow increases. Narration. Packing begins.
Stability confirmed. Accuracy engineered.
Prompt 74, vertical form fill seal, visual, bags formed and filled, camera, sidetrack, sound, seal clicks, connection, advance, narration, efficiency at speed.
Integrity ensured. Traceability applied.
Prompt 77, checkware, visual, weight verified, camera, sidetrack, sound, beep, connection within spec, narration, compliance ensured.
Standards enforced. Safety confirmed. Safety confirmed. Speed meets order. Order at scale. Protected for cold chain. Storage begins. Capacity meets demand. Conditions locked.
Prompt 87, FIFO control, visual, oldest pallets prioritized, camera, pan, sound, forklift hum, connection, move out, narration, rotation enforced.
Prompt 86, inventory scan, visual, barcode scanned, camera, close, sound, scanner beep, connection, updated, narration, stock tracked. Prompt 88, Baltu, order picking Kribel, visual, forklifts retrieve pallets, camera, sidetrack, sound, hydraulics, chain maintained.
Monitoring continues.
Prompt 92, loading sequence, visual, palette staged, camera, steadicam, sound, forklift, connection, flow smooth, narration, dispatch ready. Market bound. Prompt 94, visual, truck sealed, camera, close, sound, latch click, connection, locked, narration, integrity ensured.
Journey begins.
Frozen freshness moves on. Quality verified. Every batch tested.
Prompt 99, temperature test, visual, core temp measured, camera, macro, sound, beep, connection logged, narration, cold confirmed.
Appearance matters. Texture validated. Safety invisible. Green light given. Records preserved. Oversight continues. Market cleared. Distribution approved. Logistics align. Integrity confirmed.
Compliance ensured.
Prompt 113, cold chain handoff. Visual, truck temp check, camera close, sound, fan hum, connection stable, narration, cold chain intact.
Efficiency planned.
Journey continues. Capacity shown. Pride in process. Subscribe to Factoria for more real factory documentaries.
And this is how Factoria shows how modern factories process green peas from harvest to frozen packs.
Process complete.